There are a number of communities. The main community is the hapu community, or the mana whenua community. Addressing intergenerational trauma is important. And one way that we could do that was bringing to the forefront of the minds of all New Zealanders the injustices that was caused, that was inflicted on us, leading to the confiscation of 1.2 million acres of land. As a result of the invasion, we've lost treasures, identity. We're talking about waiata karakia, homesteads. And when you look at the social issues that we're faced with today, this build of the Rangiriri trenches is significant in terms of paving the way forward of hope. We align the narratives. So it's important that we get to share our own narratives from our own people, as opposed to reading books and looking at the historians of today. Most of them are non-Māori, but that's why it's important for us. It's a tool to educate our people.